raining. It's raining. Oh, it's raining! Look at this up here. I'm going to turn the heater on. It's freezing. Zante, did you make those shoes? Okay. It's freezing out here. I'm gonna go to the bathroom. Hopefully it's clean. Oh my gosh, it might be nasty. I might have to hold it. It's fucking dark in. What kind of shit is going on in here? Let me see. Oh my gosh, I might have to hold it. It's dark in the bathroom. Okay, hold on. I gotta go in the car. Charlie, it's raining! It's raining. They're outside playing in the rain. Oh, let me unlock the door. Kyrie, is it raining? It's raining?
It's raining, man. Oh, Mama, it's raining.
It is. Charlie, you ready to go home? Huh? What? It's raining. Oh, look at it. Huh? Oh, okay. Oh, what's your name?
Charlie,
Whose birthday is tomorrow?
my birthday.
Oh, what you gonna do?
Get something for my birthday.
What you gonna get for your birthday? What you want for your birthday?
Hello Kitty.
Hello Kitty?
Yeah, bag.
You want a Hello Kitty bag?
You like Hello Kitty?
Okay. 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 Let me see that. What time is the? Are you having a party?
Yeah.
Oh, you want to check the cheese tomorrow?
Yeah.
Oh, how exciting! Don't hurt yourself.
Oh.
See, get down. Go the other way. Don't want to hurt yourself. Look at them. It's raining, Kaya. It's raining. Look at it, huh? Okay, she need to ask her mom, and I don't know if I can take her back home. That means I'm ready to go. I was ready to go before I got here. I didn't feel good, but you know, I still like to come and support.
Yeah, so
you know.
These kids stay getting sodas and not drinking them.
Yeah, do you guys recycle?
Yeah.
Yeah, we recycle too. Oh, I gotta go take her. It's raining. Charlie, it's raining. You gotta get your jacket.